A COVID update in the country. The last 24 hours, 5,375 cases of COVID-19 have been reported. And when we talk about the positivity rate, it's doubled to 3.5% in a matter of 1 week. Let's get you more details on this with my colleague Vedant, who's joining us. Vedant, as the cases are increasing, even though we've seen a slight dip from what we've seen over the last 2 days when the cases were above 6,000, maybe the reason for the cases to dip slightly today could be because it's the weekend and the results don't come out on a Sunday as labs don't work. Could that be the reason? Also, take us through the states which have now started to implement certain curbs regarding COVID-19.
Well, you're absolutely right, Divya. So, during the weekend, testing dips, and which is why we are seeing a slight sort of a downward trend as far as COVID cases are concerned. Today, as you rightly pointed out, over 5,000 cases have been reported. So, a more accurate number to look at would be the 7-day average. Now, the 7-day average has almost gone up by 5 times in the past 1 month. Now, not just the 7-day average, but at the same time, hospitalizations have gone up. In Delhi and Mumbai, there has been almost a 5 to 7-fold rise as far as hospitalizations are concerned. I beg your pardon. But what experts and doctors are telling us is that the number of very sick patients that require intensive care or that require heavy oxygen support, that number is low. So, you know, that there's good news as far as that is concerned. Now, as far as the R rate or recovery rate is concerned, there's a crucial rate which indicates how fast the virus is spreading. That is between 2 and 3. So, which basically means that an infected person can further infect 2 or 3 more people. Now, if you talk about curbs, so of course Haryana has imposed a mask mandate, Mizoram as well. But what is also important to point out is that Maharashtra, there are some states where there is a blanket mask mandate, but there is no state-wide mask mandate. Now, remember, nationally, if we talk about, the government's focus remains on test, track, treat and vaccinate, and in fact an advisory has been issued. The government's empowered group met recently. Tomorrow and day after, there will be nationwide COVID mock drills. So hospitals, both government and private, will be conducting these nationwide mock drills. Healthcare workers will be energized to make sure that all complicated cases are also dealt with efficacy. Divya.
Right, thank you for getting an update on the COVID situation.